Like I told you guys in my last video, Grok has gone behind a paywall, but I didn't just sit there and cry about it. I went back, did my thing, and found you guys some brand new free AI video generators. I mean, just look at these videos, the quality, the detail, it's actually insane. And the best part, some of them are 100% free. No tricks, no enter your card details and pray. Just free. Also, don't skip this video. Watch it till the very end, because I'm going to reveal a very popular and trusted site where you can actually make real money just by monetizing your AI content. Yes, you heard that right. Your laptop might finally start paying rent. And don't forget to like and drop a comment. It really helps my videos grow and helps me keep finding gems like this for you. Alright, let's get started. Recraft AI. Alright, so first, all we need to do is open a new tab and search for Recraft AI. Then click on the first free image generator link. Trust me, you're going to like this one. Now this is what your interface should look like. Clean, simple, but don't let that fool you. Sometimes the simplest tools are the most powerful. You'll notice that this website offers a lot, but it mainly focuses on image generation, and it does that extremely well. Now look for the sign in button and click on it. Accept all cookies. Then it should allow you to sign in. I'll go ahead and continue with Google to save time. Quick and easy, no stress. And once you're in, this is what your interface should look like. Basically the dashboard. Everything is laid out nicely. Nothing confusing. No unnecessary clutter. Now locate new project and click on it. And just like that, you're ready to start creating. I really love this website. I've been keeping it to myself for a while, but now I'm excited it's time to let you guys in on it. Because honestly, tools like this don't stay hidden forever. It's free. Yes, completely free. It generates high-quality images, and it gives you exactly what you want from your prompts. Like, surprisingly accurate. So you don't have to worry about trying to generate an octopus and ending up with an ostrich. We've all been there before. Now, as you can see, we have a prompt box and several other settings, and this is where the magic starts. But let's get into generating. Go to ChatGPT and get your prompts. Once you're in ChatGPT, don't overthink it. Once your prompts are ready, pick the one you like the most, then head back to the website and paste it in. Now before you click generate, take a moment to look at the settings. Don't rush this part. There's an image settings section for generation type, which allows you to upload reference images. That means you can guide the AI even more. Then there's the model, where you can choose the AI model you want to use. Different models, different styles, so feel free to experiment. You'll also see aspect ratio and image count, basically how many images you want. Wide, square, portrait. It's all up to you. There are color palettes and lots of other settings, from professional to basic options. So whether you're a beginner or someone more advanced, you're covered. Now go ahead and click generate, and wait for your image to be ready. This part is always exciting. The first image is ready. And wow, magnificent. My jaw dropped. High quality, great detail, everything looks perfect. Like, this doesn't even look like something that was made for free. Now go ahead and download it. Don't waste time, secure it. Then repeat the same process for your other prompts. Now while generating, I noticed something. These images are created really fast. I'm talking like 20 seconds. And that's a big deal, because speed matters when you're creating content. Before I even go get another prompt, the next image is already ready. No waiting around. No wasting time. Just results. Now all 5 images are ready, and they all look insanely high quality. Stunning, beautiful, sharp, clean. Exactly how I imagined them in my head. And that's the best part. It actually delivers what you're thinking. Now let's go ahead and download all of them and move on to the next tool. But before we leave, just take a second to appreciate this. A free tool, giving you this level of quality. That's rare. This is genuinely amazing. If I were you, I'd stop everything right now and go try out Recraft AI. Because tools like this, they don't stay underrated for long. And right now, you're early. So take advantage of it. Slop Club AI. Next up is Slop Club. Now, you can use this tool for image generation and feed your own creations into it. But today we're using it for one thing only. Video generation. Text-to-video generation to be precise. And trust me, this is where things get interesting. So go ahead and open a new tab, type in Slop Club AI in the search bar, and click on the first link with the correct logo next to it. You'll recognize it when you see it. Now once you click on it, this is what your page should look like. You'll see a banner welcoming you, with the text GPT Image 2 is live written on it. Now yes, that's cool, but we're not here for image generation. We're here for video, so let's stay focused. Alright, no more delays, let's get into it. Now you'll see a prompt box, and you'll also notice the model being used here is LTX 2.3. And if you know anything about video generation models, then you already know LTX 2.3 is a big deal. Like a very big deal. This is where high-quality results start showing up. So first, go ahead and get your prompts. Paste your prompt in, and click Generate. Now, in this case, we haven't signed in yet, so it redirects us to the sign-in page. No problem. I'll just continue with Google again to save time. Quick, simple, done. And just like that, we're signed in. Now we can finally start generating videos without any interruptions. So go ahead, grab your prompts again, head back to Slop Club, paste it in, click Generate. Now, we hit a small issue. An error pops up. It happens sometimes. Don't panic. Let's try switching up the prompt. We change the prompt. Try again. Same issue. Alright. So now we know it's not the prompt. Let's think. Aspect ratio. That might be the problem. So let's switch it to landscape. Now click Generate again. And yes, that was it. The aspect ratio was the issue. Now we can see one video in the queue. Generating. Perfect. Now let's repeat the same process for the next prompt. Paste. Click Generate. And now we've got 2 videos in the queue. Look at that. Working efficiently already. Now while we wait, let's explore the page a little. Scroll down. Check out some videos created by other users. And honestly, these videos look really good. Like surprisingly good. Clean visuals, smooth motion. This website clearly means business. Now let's go back. By now our videos should be ready. And yes, they are. Let's check out the first one. And wow, I was right. Very realistic. High quality. Beautiful visuals. This is exactly what you want to see. Now go ahead and download it. Don't waste time. Secure your file. Now let's check out the second video. And again, same level, same quality, no drop-off, consistent results. That's what makes a tool reliable, so go ahead and download this one too. And just like that, you've created 2 high-quality AI videos using text. Think about that for a second. You typed words, and got full videos. That's actually crazy. Now imagine doing this multiple times. Different prompts, different ideas, different styles. You can create a whole library of content. And that's where this becomes powerful. Alright. That's it for this tool. Let's move on to the next one. Hugging Face. Before we jump into the next tool, just know this one is different. Like this is where things start to feel a bit more advanced. This isn't just a simple website. This is where a lot of AI magic actually lives. If you've ever wondered where developers, creators, and AI enthusiasts hang out, yeah, this is one of those places. And the best part, you don't even need to sign in to use most of it. So all we have to do now is look for spaces and click on it. Now switch from all to image generation, because that's what we'll be using. There are a lot of options here, but the one we'll be using is called image to image, or the one that fits best for generation. And honestly, it's one of the best out there. Now go ahead and get your first prompt. Head back to the tool, paste it in, and click Generate. Boom, your image is ready. And wow, magnificent. Now repeat the same prompt for the second image. And again, magnificent. Go ahead and download it. Now this is also one of my personal favorites, and honestly, I have quite a few favorite tools here on Hugging Face. There's a lot to explore, but we don't have time to go through everything right now. I'll definitely show more of them in other videos, so make sure you check out my page, because trust me, there's a lot more coming. Digen AI. Your images are ready. Now it's time to turn them into video. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Digen AI. Click the official website. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner and click Create. You'll enter the main workspace. Step 2. Upload your image. On the left side, click Upload. Select the image you want to turn into a video. Tip: use high-quality images for better results. Next you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe how you want the image to move, e.g., zoom, turn, lighting effects, etc. If you're unsure what to write, click Prompt Enhance to improve your prompt automatically. Step 3. Add music. Optional. You can add background music if you want. This step is optional. Skip it if you prefer. Step 4. Generate the video. Click Generate Video. While it's processing, you can upload another image and repeat the steps to create multiple videos at once. Results and download. Once your video is ready, preview it and download the file. Repeat the process with different images and prompts to create more videos and experiment with new ideas. That's it. You now know how to turn images into videos using AI. FanView. For monetization, we are going to use FanView, of course, because right now it is one of the only trusted platforms that allows AI content monetization. And let's be honest, you don't want to put in all that effort creating content just for it to sit there looking pretty with no money coming in. FanView is trusted by well-known celebrities, even people like Cardi B, so you already know it is the real deal. When big names are using a platform, that usually means it has been tested, tried, and it actually works. They have also handled a huge amount of money in creator payouts, which shows that people are not just signing up, they are actually earning. Another great thing about FanView is that they support AI content monetization across almost any niche. So whether you are creating AI videos, images, or something more creative, you can still find a way to make money from it. That flexibility is a big reason why I recommend it. And don't worry, getting started is simple. You can find the sign up link in the description below, just click it, create your account, and you are good to go.